Hello, this is MC Jetty, and I'm going to show the RFTools Spawner ported to Minecraft 1.9, as well as a new feature for the builder. So, in this setup, I made a very compact spawner. The basic thing here is the spawner block itself, and it is pointed downwards, so the mob will spawn in this area. Then below there is a shield with a single block to preserve power, which is set to solid and damage. Then there is a space chamber, so 8 corners and 1 controller, and this is linked to a space chamber card. And here is a new feature. You can set the mode to collect, and it will collect all items in the space chamber. So they will arrive here. Let's turn it on. So at this point it is using energy. I'm using creative energy cells here because it's easier. The spawner needs a syringe for the specific mob that you want to spawn. In this case we want to spawn Enderman, so let's make a syringe. This should be enough. 100% Enderman. So you then insert the syringe in the spawner, and you see here what you need to spawn one Enderman. 1/10 of an ender pearl, and half endstone, and 40 living matter. This can be anything like wheat or chorus fruit or apple, and 2000 RF. So to spawn an Enderman, you need to give this material to this one, and we do that with the matter beamers. First they have to be linked. Okay, they are already glowing because they are on with the lever, but there is nothing in there. So you see the numbers are not increasing. So let's insert ender pearls in this one. So the beam is thicker now. You see the key matter, which is the ender pearls, increase. Now bulk matter is endstone. It's also increasing now. And then we insert the last one. It's some kind of living material. Okay, and now we wait. So 40 living material we need. We are not lucky this time, but we see we have an excess of key and bulk matter and too little living matter. In the real good setup you would have multiple beamers for living matter, but in this case we're just going to remove this and also switch to living matter. Again, no luck. Let's switch this to living matter too. Okay, there was an ender pearl, and it was collected by the builder. So this spawner can be very fast, but it increases, depends on how fast the material gets in. You can use multiple lasers, and you can also infuse them. Let's do that in a tricky way now. Okay, but this is empty. Okay. In theory, this spawner can go up to 1 mob per tick, but that will require a lot of power and resources here. And the trick also is to optimize the beamers, so you only feed in the right percentage of matter that you need. One thing that has changed since 1.7 is that the requirement for bulk matter has been decreased a lot, and this has been increased because this is easier to automate, and this you can just insert a stack and be good for a very long time. Okay, this was the mob spawner. I hope you enjoyed it.